whip. Yip boom bim 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 boom. Bim 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 bim. So today, what's on the list? I have two things in mind. First, finish the patrol movement, especially for the chicken, and the grounded factories on what to set boundaries. Oh yeah. And second is continuing on the drawing of the chicken animations. So. Let's finish this. So, up until here, we have this. The texture destination seems to be correctly moved. But the chicken is not moving. So, let's see. It's like the texture is at the right place, but the chicken has some kind of threshold where it stops to move because it considers it's at destination where it's not actually. Character control position X is greater than destination. Let's try with one hope only for now. Okay. One hope. Made two hopes. Why? Hopes count. Let's comment this. Hopes count is 1. And let's fix the direction too. Will be easier to debug. It's, let's say, -1. Go to the left. Okay. Of destination position is position of the chicken itself plus of distance multiplied by direction -1. Okay. On the same y-axis. So At this point, the destination, let's print the destination. Sorry, not print destination, print debug, self, hope destination. Especially the X one. Okay, let's see. We have to wait for the end of the first animation. Okay. Two things. One, it keeps going to hopes when I specified only one hope. So that's the first issue. How come? It's probably current hope count. It starts at 0. Okay, let's break it down. It starts at 0. Current hope count is 0. I need one hope. One hop. How do you say hope? Hop? I don't know. Let's check. Hop. Okay. One hop. Current hop count is 0. I need one hop. I set its destination here. And then the direction, okay. And then on the update, I check destination. So here. So in our case, it's the left direction. So we go here and we say if chicken position on its x-axis is less than hope destination on its x-axis, that's one hop done. So now hop count is 1. Oh, but it's for the, yeah, I think I got it. It's not incrementing this frame, it's incrementing the next frame. So, or am I wrong? Let's check. Immediately during the current frame, d'accord. Okay. So here hop count should be 1. Let's check. Let's check. Current hop count is 1. And then we go here and we say if current hop count greater or equals to hops count, which is 1, destination reached should be true. Let's check it's true. It's false. How come? Current hops count is 0. So thanks ChatGPT. It's not incrementing this frame, this line. Let's double check this. What's the hops count here? And after the incrementation. Oh my lord. Sorry, I'm not on the good in the correct if. So this line goes here. Okay. Wait. What? Direction is -1. Ah, got you. So, oh, we check. Wait, what's happening? So we are not there yet. The chicken is not at destination yet. Otherwise, we would have broken, sorry, in this line at line 84. And we're not breaking there, we're breaking here. So chicken's position is not past the destination point. Nonetheless, we go into this line and no, we don't enter it. Okay. Next one. Next one. Now the chicken has passed the destination point. Current hop count is 0. So we do increment it. Now it's 1. Then we go there and we say current hop count 1. So we should enter this condition, cool. So destination reached turns true. So we should go here and set velocity to 0 and switch to peck. When we go to peck, we wait for the end of the animation to go back to walk. So we enter walk again. We reset everything, move speed, current hop count, destination reaches false, hops count is 1, direction is left, so hop destination is current chicken's position plus hop distance, direction, etc, etc. So everything seems right. So why do we go 2 hops when I say only 1? Let's remove the breakpoints. Hop destination is -183. That's the position of the chicken. Oh, Work state 84. Let's print the position of the on the enter of the chicken. So that's correct. Chicken is at minus 173 and destination is 10 on the left, so 83. And then we got the position of the chicken at 83 at line 84. Oh, what's going on? Okay. At line 84 here. Let me reopen this. There you go. Line 84 here. Position is now 183. So we've passed over the destination. We increment the current hop count. Maybe I should not do this here, but on the else condition, if the number of hops is not reached, update destination. I don't know if it will fix the bug, but it's probably a best approach and more readable like this. So if we say destination is not reached, let's get a new destination and remove it from here and here. Okay, let's check. Oh wow, it went off screen. Our direction is 0. Oh no, that's not good. Actually, I could go like if direction is 0, that's the destination is reached. Okay. And we can exit here. Direction is 1 or -1. We check for position. And if we are beyond the destination, we increment the hop count. And then we check for the hop count. So I don't need this condition here anymore. And there is only two possibilities. Either the hop count is reached, in this case destination is reached, or it's not reached, and change the destination for a new hop. No, that's no, it's not like this. Current hop count. Okay, maybe I'm doing the thing the other way around. Like, if destination is reached, this is what this line is checking. So let's just say destination is reached. Okay. Same for him. Let's put it like this. Okay. Maybe this function is all it's doing is check for destination and update the flag destination reached, true or false. You can even say, yeah, no, it's okay. Then we check the destination here and we update the flag. Here, if destination reached, what do? Check the count of hop. So check for hops count. If hops count, current hop count is less than hops count, increment. I'm not sure. And let's add a print here to see what's happening. Okay. Oh, that's better. Oh, that's better. Seems to work. Nice. Okay, cool. Don't need this. Don't need this. I think I had an equal here, an equal sign. That's what was wrong. Okay. So now if we put the random numbers back and direction too, what's happening? It's always one hop. It's weird. But other than that, it works. but it's always one hop. Let's print the hops count. Three. Okay, no matter what, it always hop one time. So let's see why. Sorry. Three. Yo, it's happening again. Destination reached. Oh, but I set it back to... I don't set it back to false when it's not finished. So that's why we don't continue. 3. What? It's bugging again. Okay, it makes no sense to have 3 hopes if destination is 0. I mean if direction is 0. So let's first check for direction here. And if direction is different than 0, do this. Otherwise, hops count is 1. So by default, hops count is 1, and if direction is 0, is different than 0, we can make more jumps. But in this case, I'll go from 1 to 3. So we check destination. Once it's reached, we set the flag to true. Oh, I don't change the destination actually. That's what I'm missing now. Yeah. Destination is what I did here. And set the flag to false. It looks fine, except I do one extra jump, one extra hop. Goes on 0 based. Yeah, because I reached the destination and then I check for hops count, where as soon as I reach destination, I should increment the hop count before checking if I go over the count. So that's -1 probably here. 1, okay. 2, 1, 2, okay. 1, 1, Ah, I see why. I see why there's this bug. Because I'm moving towards the destination, but by increments, and sometimes I just miss the destination by a tiny bit. So the next check considers that I'm not at destination. So at the end, when I reach destination, what I should do is put the character controller at destination. Hmm. Or maybe the issue is there. Ops count is 1 by default. Yeah, that's probably the issue. Ops count, let's say it's 0. Yeah. Yeah, it works. Cool. Nice. Okay, cool. So let's see what it looks like without all the visual debugging. I think the animation is longer than the traveling distance, so it's cut in the middle of the hop animation right now. So I need to adjust timings of animation and hop distance. Actually, I could do something smarter than that. Because I know the number of frames for the hop animation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, what I could do is check for the length of the animation. Let's find out how to get this info. Oh, cool. It's 0.6. So instead of a distance, I could use a duration for moving. So let's push this first, as it works. Okay, let's remove all the commands. Before pushing. Okay, I flipped the character. Cuckoo patrol state. And 36. Cuckoo controller. Scarecrow. Character controller refactor added a flip root node. Character controller refactored moved inside attack flags in character controller base class. Let me check again something. This one. Okay, it's fine. No, this one is not fine. Cow controller. Okay. Now we're good. And last task is this one. Okay, so now I want to refactor the hop movement based on animation duration instead of a distance, which is not correlated with the animation length and causes this cut in the animation. So that was the first iteration. Now let's improve that. Okay. So chicken, where are you? This one. So the length, we know how to get it. The one I won't need anymore is this one, of distance. So let's remove it. So now there's no hope destination actually. It's just a flag. So what do? On the update, we check for destination. Okay, check destination. It's checking for position, is it? Yeah, so now what I need to do is to connect to the animation system. Okay, so let's do this. Animation player, animation, it's finished. This, put here now. We consider the destination reached. Okay. When we have finished the animation, destination is reached. So update. So I don't need this. And what I do here is destination is reached. Okay, what do? Check for hop count. If it's not finished, increment it. Set the flag back to false and the speed to. Move speed was 0. I don't know if I should re-enter the same state, but it won't work. No, I can't do this. I have a check that if the state is the same, there's no switch actually. So let's just set the speed to 0. Okay. And if it's not finished, set it back to move speed. And actually, I won't use move speed, but the state maximum speed thing. State machine. Don't remember. State max speed. Okay, let's run it. Um, State max speed is 0. That's why. It seems to be kind of working. But it always goes to the right. Okay, let's add some debug now. What is maybe this? Then, oh, it's an Indian turkey. I don't need this. I need this. One to the right, three to the right, and it only hops once. Okay. Oh, but I don't use move speed anymore. First thing, so it's state max speed. Oh. Now it goes to the left and to the right. Okay, now for the hops count. Um, I don't get why it's not incrementing. Let's just add a breakpoint here. Never go there. Ah. Really? Current hop count is 0. And we need 3 of them. So is destination reached? No. Why is that? Let's fix the number of hops to debug faster. Okay. So we have 3 hops. Ah, interesting. We didn't break in the animation finish. Why is that? Oh yeah, of course. It's the first frame after the enter on the state. Okay. Now the animation is finished. So destination reached. Set to true. Stop velocity. Let's check now. What? Destination reach is false. Okay. Train debug. Elf. Animation. Let's call it animation finished instead of destination reached first. Okay. Oh, but we don't play the animation. We need to play it. Hmm. Okay. So we need one more flag. move or walk finish, hop, or state finish, or transition. Transition, which is false by default. And gets true only when all the hops are done. Yeah. Hey, physical skits. Welcome in. So we start and connect to the animation player. Transition is false. Animation is not finished. We do our stuff, waiting for the animation to finish. And when it's finished, we set animation finished to true, set velocity to 0. So the update, when it's true, checks for hops count. And if we're not done yet, we re-trigger the player and set back the animation finish to false. Otherwise, we transition. Okay. So what are you coding? Yeah, I'm developing a 2D platformer game in Godot. It's my first project with Godot. So maybe I can show you. I've started with so you're a little cat like this, and you can basically do what cats can do, like walk, run, etc. And there is wall jump too. I've implemented 3 enemies for now, and so the first one is this, the cuckoo, who has 2 attacks. Nothing is finished yet. It's the start of the project, okay? And I've made this chicken the day before yesterday, and the red circles you see is the patrolling boundaries of each NPC. So that's for the cuckoo, the chicken left. Sorry, for the chicken, you have chicken left and right. And yeah, basically that's what I'm doing. And I'm coding the movement of the chicken. So the chicken has, I think I've shown that somewhere. Maybe on Sprite. Yeah, it is the same style as Cuphead. I really love this game. So the chicken has 2 animations for patrolling. The first is to peck, and the other one is to move around, like hopping, like this. That's for patrolling, and then it has... Thanks for the follow. I don't know why I have two on the layout. It's weird, but okay. And the other state is attacking, which consists of 2 animations that are not done yet. So one for moving quickly towards the player, and the other one for the attack itself, but I don't know what it is yet. So yeah, that's for the chicken. It's only block out for now, so I will draw it later. As for the cow, it is mainly block out. I've not done the proper coloring stuff. So it's a mix of Mario, Super Mario, and Blasphemous, if you've played this game, Cuphead, why not, and Elden Ring for the combat mechanics, as I'd like to have fewer enemies at the same time to fight, but interesting combat system. When you engage an attack, you take a risk because the attack itself is slow depending on what you're doing. Let's show you. I have 2 attacks for now for the cat. One is quick and one is heavy. It's the same button, but you just hold it. So when you decide to launch a heavy hit, you take risks because obviously the animation is slower, so you can get hit yourself. And I like this system that you have in Elden Ring or Blasphemous. So, where were we? Here, let's test it. Oh, cool. Seems to work. Cool, cool, cool. That's a good news. So let's clean that up, and I think I don't need that anymore. Don't need this, neither. So hops count is random, and direction is random. Cool. And the chicken should face the direction it's moving towards while it's in patrol mode. So first let's get rid of all those logs and push that chicken box takes 78. Okay. So this is finished. Okay. Now what I want is the chicken to base its flip decision on either the player is in sight or in range or not. Okay, so the first flip mode is look at player, one in attack mode, or actually I'm not sure I have a mode for this case. Do I? Let's see. Look in hop direction, one in patrol state. So the chicken flip mode is at look at player. I should have Maybe I should have a simple forced mode in the enum. Or custom could be called also, maybe. Maybe it's custom. Oh. Hmm. Hmm. Uh, so when I set a direction for the hop, I flip so it's true. Directions of vector 2. Direction like this. Let's check. Yeah, it works. Cool. So that's the first mode. Actually, I think okay, I think I'll do the next mode once I have the animation for the chase. Okay, let's push that. Maybe I'll keep this task or rename it. Yeah. Custom flip mode based on up direction. Okay. Back to add a grounded flag. Decide when to set boundaries. Okay. Add patrol movement to the cuckoo. Missed one thing in there. Modify flip condition. Should I do that really quick before drawing? Maybe. Because right now the cuckoo is not looking the right direction. Is he? Oh, it's fixed already. Okay. Maybe I should stop him when he's throwing the mallet attack. I need to fix the cow too. But it's done, okay. So this one is okay. Here I missed the air forward attack. But I need to redraw it completely. This attack is not okay. So I need another task for the cat sprite. Yeah, forward attack. And for now, let's do the chicken animation for chasing. So maybe the first one is rush. And the other one is attack. Let's do the rush one or the attack one. Chat, you decide. What do you want me to do first? The rush animation of the chicken or the attack one? And there's one more thing I need to do after that, which is the death animation. So maybe I think the attack one needs a bit of thinking actually, so I'll do that. So I can keep it simple and draw a big attack or go wild, I don't know. Maybe I need the posture of the chicken when it's flying, because the big animation will start from that state, from that posture, from that stance. So maybe I need a rush before that. And rush basically sorry. Okay. Hmm. Hola, Godot Range Fire. How are you? Welcome in. Ah, no hablas español. French or English. But I'm good, and you? Si hablas español, sabes cómo responderme en español. It was luck. Pure luck. Trying to guess what you say, but if your question is what I'm actually coding, it's a game, a platformer, like Mario, a mix of Mario, Blasphemous, and Elden Ring. You're a cat, and it takes place in Switzerland, and you're this cat, and it's the start of the project. It's my first project in Godot, this game engine. So I'm now coding different enemies. I have 3 of them, and yeah, that's it. And today I'm drawing the next 2 animations for the chicken, which is an enemy too. I've done the patrolling animations. Patrol animation for the chicken consists of 2 animations. One is pecking. I can show you that in the game actually. So it alternates between pecking and hopping like this. And the one I missed for the chicken is the attack state, the attack animation. So I'm starting right now the attack animation. I don't know yet what the attack will be. So yeah, it's brainstorming in my head. I need 2 animations for the chase attack state. One is rushing towards the player, like moving very fast, and the other one, the attack itself. So I'm starting with the rush stance. I need just 1 frame, a good idea, and then I'll go to the attack animation. Because the attack animation starts from the last frame of the rush animation, or one of the frames of the rush animation, so I need a good transitions between the 2. That's why I'm starting with the rush. At least to have a rough idea of where I'm going with the rush and attack. Maybe I just need to lean the chicken a little bit more forward. Let's try something. Or maybe it's the opposite. Let's try something else. Yeah, that could be cool. Okay, let's try to implement that, to integrate it into the project. Rush. Okay. So, rush. So whenever we enter the sight zone of the chicken, this big yellowish box, we should switch from patrol to chase state. Or let me check. I don't remember exactly. That's the herd box, hit box, side box. Side box is the big one. Okay. Is it enough? Or in range box maybe? No. Okay, side box should be shorter. Be like such, and let's use round numbers. Those for pixel art is probably best. And the in-range box is shorter too. It's a really close attack distance. Let's try that. So when the player enters this box, the yellow one, chicken should switch. So patrol should check that. Chase. Or maybe rush directly. Um, Actually, it's not done there. It's not correct. It should be an override. It's not. What's the signature of this? Oh, but we're in state. It's... Wait. Actually, I don't have it. I've on hit, on hurt. I need the on site. Hmm. Okay. I need this. I don't need that. And I need sidebox here. So I'll emit a signal. It's not hit, it's sight. But I don't have this. Okay. Sight. It's sender, other, and is inside. So state should listen to... Or it's the character... No, it's the state machine that does that? Yeah, probably. Here. Yeah. So... character controller dot site. Connect on site. Let's check the signature again. That's a character controller. Collision box. On her, it has the same name as a previously declared. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So now in the patrol. Yeah, now that's an override. Let's check if it's called. Function signatures doesn't match the parent. The parent signature is inside. Where are we? Character controller. Oh, there's a sender. All right. Nothing is happening now. Let's see. Chicken as in side box event, so it emits the signal. So the character controller should receives it. If side box on site, I should land here, and I'm not. Why is that? I emit the signal and no one is listening to it. Maybe... Yeah, that's it. I need to call the super. Wait. That's in character controller? So it's duplicated. It's already in the character controller. So I don't need it here. It's there. So this one is never called. Now, okay, now it's good. So right? Side emit, correct? Side emit from the character controller, so the state machine should have subscribed to this here, and we should land here. That's okay, it's cool. Okay, up until there, so far so good. So do we enter this? We do. Cool. And then current state is chicken peck. Mm-hmm. But do we go here? Apparently not. No, we don't. So maybe I should override, or at least call the let's see. No output. So if we go super this, we'll end here. Oh, it's not super actually. Yeah. Oh, but wait, it's my mistake. I'm not inheriting correctly. Heck. Yeah, it's a chicken state. It's not a patrol state. That's why. Now it works. Okay. So we have the output. It works, but it's maybe a bit complicated. I don't know. Okay. Yeah. So it's patrolling, and once I enter its side box, it starts rushing. Can I do this? And what if in the pack I don't do this? Yeah, it works. Okay, no, that's fine. The architecture is not so heavy. Just need to be careful with the inheritance of things. Like this one. Chicken chase state, check chicken state first. And then attack is inheriting from him, and a rush to patrol is okay, and peck inherits from patrol, and walk inherits from patrol too. Really? Did I break the patrol state? Oh, maybe because, oh yeah, I think the loop is on. That's it. Cool. Okay. So this one needs to flip towards the look at the player on enter. No, I need to change the flip mode. So I need this feature. I don't have it now. So let's create it. Switch flip mode. New mode. Right? And probably flip. Based on what? I don't know. Uh-huh. It's funny because I have two parameters for this flip function, but I actually never use them. So if I just go flip, it should work. Oh, but I don't call it. Chicken rush state, flip, it's switch. Hmm. Yeah. And then I need to set the speed to max state speed, which is let's say 200. Let's try it. Okay. Can chase at velocity. Let's try something. Okay. The max speed is 0. Uh-huh. Okay, works. Now, um, Pause. True. Okay. Cool. Cool. It's maybe a bit fast, but other than that, it works. $100. Okay. I should go back to patrol state when the player is out of sight. So enter calls the super patrol. Okay. Here I should say Set velocity to state max. And for pec, it's 0. And walk it's 10. Okay. Does that work? Yes, it works. Oh, but now I need to flip the mode again. Back to... Okay. It's custom? I don't remember. Yeah. Cool. Oh, no. Oh, maybe because... Whoa. Really? Hmm. Now it's always going to the right? Oh no, okay. Maybe I should put the flip mode in chase directly instead of rush. Right. Yeah. Let's try it. Yeah, works. What could be funny is the chicken can't see me if I'm behind it. Let's check. If I do this. So that way I can try to wait for the chicken to like that and herd it in the back. At the risk of the chicken turning around and yeah, that's funny. Turn back, chicken. Okay, right, that's a good idea. Maybe like this. And in range. Beam. Okay. So it's a first version of the animation, but I think the whole loop is working well. So maybe I'll push this and go for another iteration on the animation to improve it later on. Now I need to do the attack one to complete the whole process of rushing, attacking, pecking, hopping, etc. So this one is okay. Let's push it. I've added the callback for insight. Let's say collision box. I can get rid of this. Chicken controller, 20. I will probably need to modify the on in range signal too and add the sender as a parameter too, but I'll do that later when I need it. Oh yeah, I can get rid of those parameters actually. Let's do this and test. I do this, should be fine. Oh wait. Actually, I need this one, but not this one. Okay. Gets on the way. Nothing changes. On New Year's Day. Everything looks good. Okay. Cool. So this one is not really that important now. So the rush animation is done. And I need the attack one. And then death. For the death animation, I have an idea. And I'm eager to see if you like it or not. But for now, let's do the attack animation. I don't know. It needs to be a loop. We're not moving anymore once we reached the player. So do I start from here or from here? Maybe this one. So what is the attack now? We expect the chicken to attack with its beak, but maybe it can do something else. With its belly? With its wing? You can tell me in chat if you have an idea, if you have a preference to test. Either the chicken can attack with its beak, with its wings, with its belly, with its paws. With its butt, or its, what do you call the thing on its head? And throw eggs, yeah, it's I thought about, yeah, hello, how are you? Welcome. I thought about the egg throwing, but actually it's the, I have this idea for the death animation. Okay, I can tell you now. It's the idea is to that when the chicken is dead, it turns into an egg back again, and you have like 2-3 seconds, I don't know, to break the egg, to destroy the egg before it comes back again like a phoenix. So if I do this, probably you won't use an egg as an attack. That was a good idea actually, to attack with eggs. And in the other hand, attacking with eggs is it's a distant attack. And I like the idea of the chicken coming very close to you and attacking you. Chickens, regular chicken. Ah, maybe it's puking worms. Like very fast. Probably. Or it can takes its electric guitar and start to bang like this, and its head is just banging you. What about a tail swing? Yeah, I was thinking about this exactly. Uh, I like to draw rotating stuff. As for the cat, when he's attacking upward, like this, or the dash, that's a good idea. The tail swing is a good one. Maybe I need two attacks actually. One is the tail swing, and the other one is I don't know, a headbutt. Headbutt is funny. Thanks. But how to alternate between... It's a random thing, between headbutts and tail swing. Could be a flash kick. You know the flash kick from Guile in Street Fighter? One really funny could be the Yu Kang. Which attack? With the fire? Bicycle kick, something like that? Ah, I see, when he's in air and do this. Like he was walking in the air. Not this one. This one? Yeah, that's funny too. Let's write them down. So, Liu Kang. Let's call it bicycle kick. Guys, flash kick. Tail swing, headbutt, belly attack. Can be a wings attack. Backflip and drop an egg in the air. Yeah, there are two things here. First is I wanted the chicken to stay on the ground because I have the cuckoo flying as a flying enemy, first flying enemy. And second is the thing with the egg that I prefer to use for the death. I was thinking of the, if you know Chun-Li in Street Fighter, she has a spinning bird kick attack. And as it's a bird, maybe it makes sense. This one. Ah, with its head upside down? Yeah, maybe. Yeah. It's funny. Bird wings kicks, but with wings. Etenkoti Cheres, how do you pronounce it? Thanks for the follow. Welcome. So, do you want to... You want me to make a poll for this? Let's see what chat prefers. Let's say it's 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Juste Coty, c'est bon? Ah! Ça va bien, toi? T'arrives au moment du vote. Pour quelle animation on fait pour l'attaque de la poule? Là où les attaques, parce que... Yeah, there will probably be more than one attack for the chicken. Ça va si je parle anglais, Coty? Sinon je peux faire un peu des deux. Oui, ok, cool. So, Chad, if you want to vote between 1 and 7, I'll give you a few minutes, a few seconds to vote. Otherwise, I'll pick myself. I wonder what my preference is. It's actually funny to have a reference to Street Fighter or any fighting game. Liu Kang bicycle kick is funny. Wings attacks is funny too. Or maybe even more spinning bird kicks attack. Me for headbutt. So we have headbutt. We have spinning bird kicks with wings and 7. Yeah, so 2 times. So if we alternate between 7 and 4, yeah, there's already a headbutt. I thought I saw it earlier. Oh no, maybe you saw the cow. That's the bell attack, this one. It's the cow attacking with its bell. Cuckoo is attacking either by throwing the cones, the weights below it, to explode, or with a mallet. And there's another NPC actually, I don't use it, I don't know if I will use it in the end, but it's the Scarecrow. But it was more to test like hitboxes and stuff, so I don't know. Salut BS Studio! Comment ça va? C'est après ta stream? Oh, pixel art are really good by the way. Oh thanks! Merci! Je me suis découvert cette passion récemment là, bah avec ce projet en fait. Ouais. Or it could be a combine attack, like the chicken is headbutting and while doing this it flips and I don't know. And spin its wings. I agree, headbutt is funny. Why not both? Yeah, that's probably the solution here. A high kick? You mean something different than the flash kick? We have a flash kick in the list from Guile. Somersault. This one. A high kick could be different colored chickens. Different colored chickens. What do you mean? Bison, high kick, heavy kick. You mean the same chicken is changed? Ah, so you have like two different chickens, and each one has its own attack. Spinning kick is cool. Yeah, which one are you talking about? The flash kick or the spinning bird kick? The guide one? Okay, we can try the three ones. So just roughly drawn and see what it feels like. So we are saying the guide one. It's the second. Okay, let's start with 4, 7, and 2. Spinning bird kicks. Vous allez bien? Tu dis moi ou tout le monde? Moi ça va en tout cas. Donc si on commence par spinning bird kicks. Let's start with the spinning bird kicks. Done. Finished. Maybe the wings are a bit flat like this. Basically it's this one reversed. And then the front one. That's the chicken belly, of course. Yeah, color is not done yet. It's just blockout drawing for now. Most of my drawings are not finished. This one is not finished. The colors are not there yet, as you can see here too. Cuckoo is quite okay, and cat is okay. But when I start a new drawing, I only do the silhouette. And if it works, I spend time on adding colors, etc. I need the. This one is pretty hard because you have to transition from standing on its feet to be backflipped. So either I do this or I don't care like most of the games do and I just have no transition. But what bothers me now the most is the wings when the chicken is facing sideways and the tail. They look very similar and it's confusing. Maybe I could put it lower. Hmm. And actually, this one goes like that. Hello, Elbidoo. How are you? Actually, It's desolate. Ah, I know what's wrong. This is... Actually, we don't see that much of the back thing, probably. Mm. And if I do... Yeah. It's also wrong here. Looks like Boo in Street Fighter, isn't he? In Dragon Ball. This version. So cool. Uh, Let's do something. No. Maybe. What is it? I don't even know. Oh. Ah, it's Captain. How is it called in Jack Sparrow? This guy. So going from this to this. Are you losing touch? Whoa. Hey, Poetic Lover, thanks for the follow, welcome in. Just go ahead, go ahead. Oh, no, too bad. Come, come, come. Let's see. uh. Hmm. I don't know if I want to animate this or for now keep this simple thing that is awful, but just to test it in the game. Yeah. Let's integrate that in the game. So we need actually more than one attack state here. So maybe attack is the parent state of one or two or three child attacks. Spinning bird kick state. Oh. Not this one, this one. Let's go spinning bird kick. It's a bit long, but... No, SPB. It's too long. SBK. Okay. So maybe there's a start attack, a starting attack. Actually, I don't need a variable for that. I'll just pick one here directly, so Or I transition to SBK directly from control. Transition here. Oh no, I'm in a rush. So here I need to detect when I'm close enough to attack. So it's when player is colliding with the in-range box. So I should have function already for the... No, I don't. Okay. Okay. The in-range box. On in-range. Okay, we're not calling any signal here. Emitting any signal. So I need to do that. It's roughly the same thing, except it's on range box. Sender other is inside. Okay. So that's the signal emitted from the character controller that state listen to. Okay. So now any state can override this, like this one. Okay, it's overriding. And here we go to attack. Actually, I'm missing this state. So I go to SBK. On enter, I stopped the velocity. Salut Poulpe, comment ça va? Let's check this already. I've decided to add the sender on every signal as for now, so I need to refactor the old signatures. Okay. So you rush, you don't. Okay. Ah, because you're... Okay. I'll wait. Oh, sorry. It's in loop. Come on. Okay. Ooh. You want me to hydrate? Voilà, je me suis hydraté. Oh là là. Okay. So I should log why I don't open me in range. So we go here, do we? Yep. So we'll emit this, and the character controller is listening for it. Should come here. We don't. Because oh wait. Signature is not correct. It's weird that it works. Kinda. Actually, I should have it here too. So the collision works. We emit the in-range signal that character controller should listen to. But it doesn't. Let me check if I've lost the reference. No. On in range. that this is emit and no one is listening? Okay, that's right. It's under, other is inside. Do we pass here? Yeah, we do. So this one works, not the other one. This one is not connecting. Oh, but wait. Oh. Yeah, that's it. Should not do this here, actually. It's already done in the base class, the character controller class, which chicken controller inherits from, and I'm not calling the super, so it's not connected. So what now? Does it work? Okay. Now it works. So we emit the signal, which is listened by state machine, and state machine has no in range method, so it will stop here. Okay, I need to add this. Like that, and then the state will receive the event. So normally rush state should come to this. We'll see, actually. Let's test it. Yeah, it works. Get the spinning bird kick. And then it goes back to what? I don't know. Let's make it spin forever now. Or maybe peck. Ah, it's funny. Because it's not in a rush, it can't attack me. But if I come here, it can. Okay, what I see is that the wings are a bit too high to really hurt me. I need to get rid of this cow. It's broken and it's just annoying to test. So actually the test to transition from patrol to chase should be done in the patrol state, not in the peck or up state thing. Because now I think I do the test here. Oh no, okay. So this one is not called. Because I'm already in the box, when I transition from attacking to peck or walk, as I'm already in the box, there's no signal emitted. Because I do not enter the box again, I'm already inside the box. So I should keep a flag that says I'm still in the box or not. Yeah. So let's create a task for this. Yo. But okay, it's not urgent. What I'm interested in is to see what it feels like, this attack, and I'm not sure it works. Actually, I'm pretty sure it doesn't work. I mean, it's weird. Yeah, it's weird. So I think this test reveals that this animation, this attack is not really appropriate. But in the list we had plenty of other ideas for attack. So this one is not really working. Number 2, we had the headbutt, and someone voted for the guy's flash kick. So let's try the headbutt. But I think I need to eat something, so I'm going to stop the stream. And I'll be back probably this afternoon, or hey, Jess Mortis, sorry. Thanks for the follow. I'll be back this afternoon or tomorrow morning. This afternoon I think I'll go bicycle. But maybe I'll make some drawings this afternoon, or at least tomorrow morning. You'll be informed if you follow, or if you go to the Discord, if you have Discord. With this link, I post a message every time I start the stream on Discord. So thanks for coming, and I wish you good lunch time, if it's lunchtime in your area. And in the meantime, let's raid someone. Oh. Let's raid Jackie Code. Merci Jess Mortis, bon appétit. Thank you, bye bye, see you.